Here I have iPhone XS, and today I'm going to show you how to set up custom ringtone on this device. So to set up custom ringtone, you will firstly have to download the MP3 file of the song you want to set up, or melody, or whatever. I unfortunately can't show you how you can download any song because YouTube has its own privacy policy and terms of conditions, so video like that will be just banned. So you'll have to figure out it on your own. So when you figured that out, download MP3 file, what you'll have to do next? You will have to download the GarageBand app from the App Store, open it, then you will have to let's open it from the beginning. Then here you will have to tap on this plus icon, then select, for example, audio recorder, then tap here, tap on this loop icon, then go to files, and here you will have to find this song you want to set up as your ringtone. So let's pick, for example, this one. Hold your finger on it, then drop it here. And then you have to tap here, go to the My Songs. This song will be saved, then select it. Then you have to hold your finger on it, go to the share and select ringtone. Then here you can name it, for example like this, and then tap export. And to set this song as your ringtone, then you have to go to the settings, go to the notifications, sound and haptics, ringtone, and select your new ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.